Bitcoin is close of ending its first week of the year in the red, as the crypto market took another blow and sits at critical support. The benchmark crypto records a 7.3% loss in 24 hours, trading at $43.000 after coming back from the lows near $42.000. Related reading: President Bukele predicts BTC at $100,000 with hope that more countries adopt it as legal tender.